The year 2025 is coming to the end, and the market becoming quiet right before the December, when everybody thinking about celebrating Christmas, meeting families, about presents, and about loading up their Visas and MasterCards up to the top. But what can we do? It's happening every year. We want to make our families happy and for them to feel celebration of this amazing time of the year. A lot of people asking me what's happening in December. It is so slow, guys. It's always slow in December. Nothing special this year happening. We are right now meeting a lot of people, talking about listings, talking about strategies for year 2026, and people preparing for the spring market, which gonna happen right in the middle of February. It's already gonna be a spring market, so people right now strategizing, meeting real estate agents. So if you want to sell or buy the house in 2026, it's right now the time to meet a few agents, to talk to them about your goals and to see who you're gonna work with. The market is stabilizing for sure. The prices were so much up that right now it is a little stabilization of the market. And right now the banks already dropped the interest for the rates, and the sellers realizing that they're asking too much for their inventory, and the buyers step by step preparing to buy the house. The two most important questions that right now clients asking me: when is the best time to list, and what's happening with the prices in 2026? So I think that the prices in 2026 will be stable, maybe a little bit down. This year it was a 10% down, but next year I don't think it's going to be more than 5% down. Maybe 10. Again, I think we're going to have a stable year. And when is the best time to put your house on the market? You always can put your house on the market. If it is priced right, it's gonna sell. However, we are 2 months away from the spring market. If you want to sell your house for the most amount of money and sell it as fast as possible, it's going to be for sure the spring market. So I would suggest to wait until about middle to end of February. It is a good time right now to meet with your agents and to decide who you're going to work with. December is always quiet. It is some people who needs to sell right in December. I do understand that. It is some people who need to lease in December. It is some people who needs to sell their estates in December. It's still a month. People still giving birth and divorce and marry and need to buy or sell in December. The market is happening. It's just if a regular month usually sold 1,400 to 1,800 houses, depends on the year, then in December, depends on the year, it can be sold 600 to 800 houses. So it's almost 2 times more sold in other months than December and January. So we are getting right now into 2 slowest months of the year. And again, let me be very clear. I do not feel any dramatic changes in 2026. The price is not going to go up, and I think if they're going to go down, it's not going to be very dramatic. Maybe it's going to be 5%. So what's happening right now with the buyers, they need to feel that market stabilizing and it's not going to be dropped more. And the sellers need to realize that the prices that they had in COVID never going to happen. Maybe sometime, but not in 2026. And they need to adjust their pricing. And as I say, the market is stabilizing and everybody is realizing the reality. So it is a real reality breaks, into people's heads, and people making decisions based on the real numbers and real life happening. Lots of people asking me about stock. Guys, I can tell you the truth. I do not do stocks. I do not analyze or looking at the stocks. So if you need information about the stocks, I would suggest to go to professionals and talk about that. I know just from information that I see on different aspects of the stock that a lot of people right now selling the houses, putting the money into the stock, and people saying because of that the stock can crush in 2026 or very soon. This is what they say. So I would be very careful, sell the house, put the money in the stock, and then lose it. It is very harsh. And just make sure that you're going to the professionals who knows what they're doing. And I know one thing, if you're going into the real estate, 5% there, 10% there, it's not like a stock that can drop 50, 60, 70% and you can lose a lot of money on that. So be very careful and make sure that you're using professionals that know what they're doing. And as a conclusion, I would like to again tell you that if you need to sell, if you need to buy, please, right now it's a fantastic time to find yourself a real estate agent, to strategize what and when you need to do, to maybe do light renovations before you're getting onto your listing, and little staging, little cleanup. All that is a good time for. And I just wanted to remind you that I have an amazing promotion, 3% plus HST listing, and you're gonna have a professional full coverage service from me. And if you're a buyer, I also have some promos for you. Please call me and we will discuss it. I would love to come and give you presentation of my services. Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert here. And please call me at this number and we will chat.